Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting for all you coders out there, especially if you're into AI-powered tools that make coding feel like a breeze. We're talking about Cursor AI, this incredible code editor that's like VS Code on steroids, with AI baked right in. And the best part? I'm going to show you how to use it for free, unlimited, no strings attached. So grab a drink, get comfy, and let's dive in. But before we spill the tea on this unlimited hack, do me a quick favor. Smash that subscribe button. I'm always dropping cool stuff like this, from AI coding tricks to tech hacks that save you time and cash. Hit that bell so you never miss a video. Let's keep this tech party rolling. Alright, for those who haven't met Cursor AI yet, let me give you the quick rundown. Cursor is an AI-powered IDE. That means Integrated Development Environment. If you're new to the game, think of it as VS Code, but with a genius AI sidekick that auto-completes your code, debugs errors, and even chats with you about your project. It's built on top of VS Code, so it feels familiar, but it's got insane tools like Claude, 3.7, GPT-4 and more running under the hood. Whether you're coding in Python, JavaScript, or just experimenting, Cursor has your back. Now, here's the deal. When you first sign up for Cursor, you get 150 fast requests. That means 150 times the AI can autocomplete or chat with you at lightning speed. It's super dope for getting started, but if you're coding like a beast, you'll burn through those pretty fast. If you're loving what Cursor is doing for your projects, do the devs a favor and check out their paid plans to keep the magic going. But today, we're keeping it 100% free with a trick that's going to blow your mind.
Temp emails or sketchy
Here's the secret to
workarounds.
unlimited
You
Cursor
don't even
AI.
need them.
And it's stupid easy. Forget temp emails or sketchy workarounds. You don't even need them. You can use your regular email or GitHub account, sign up for Cursor, and then reset your trial with the same account. Yeah, you heard that right. Same account, new trial, 150 fresh fast requests. Let me show you exactly how it's done. Step 1. Go to your Cursor IDE and log out from your account by clicking on Settings, then hitting the Logout button. Step 2. Go to cursor.sech and log in with your Gmail or GitHub account. After logging in, look at the top right corner for the account settings icon. Click that. On the left sidebar, find the Account option. Then click the Advanced tab. Scroll down, and you'll see a Delete Account button. Click that, confirm you want to delete, and boom, your account's gone. But don't panic. This is the magic part. Now go back to cursor.esh and sign up again, using the same exact email or GitHub account you just deleted. Boom. Cursor treats it like a brand new account. And you're back in with 150 fresh fast requests. No fuss, no muss. I've done this a bunch to keep coding for free, and it's like hitting the reset button on a video game. New life, same player. You can do this as many times as you need to keep those unlimited trials flowing. One quick note, Cursor might catch on someday and tighten things up, so make the most of it while it's live. And keep it chill. Don't abuse it. If you're building something epic with Cursor, maybe grab that pro plan and support the devs. So there you have it. The ultimate hack for unlimited Cursor AI, free forever. Y'all hyped to try this? Drop a comment and let me know how Cursor is treating you, or if you've got other coding hacks to share. Oh, and tell me what you want to see next. More AI tricks, coding hacks, or something totally different. If this saved your grind, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already,